There is an adage that said that if the purpose of a thing is not known, abuse is inevitable. So, writing an audit report, writing a control report actually is not because it's part of what the work we must do on the field as auditors. Of course, it's part, but there are purposes. We don't just do it because we want to do it, we want to spend more time on the field and the like. No, primarily it is good and it is added advantage for an or a client to receive a control report from an organization. What are some of the names that we can call a control report? We call it management control report, letter of weaknesses, among other names that we can call it. And simply it shows that the organization is doing well or not, or the area in which we can do better and actually perform better. That is why we need to receive from our auditors, especially if we are an organization. Receive from our auditors even before they leave. They should give us reports on our controls. How are we doing? Having said that, reporting provides a constructive advice, and you know what, that advice can save a lot of harm or ensure that damages are rectified or highly and quickly noticed. But if the auditor did not send letter of weakness, we'll find out that even though it may be negligible from the onset, that issue unresolved becomes more problematic, and you know what, it can bring the organization down and there will be issue of going concern. So for it not to happen, it is important that we have control reports from our auditor, and that as auditors we should write control reports. So these are prominent purpose of writing reports. Also, it enables auditor to comment on the design of accounting departments or various departments of the controls that they've examined, and equally make suggestion for the organization how the management can run the organization better. Like they used to say, two health are better than one. Of course, two good health. Yeah. So come the auditors, when they come together and work together and their observations are taken note of and communicated to the rightful and responsible officers, and if well implemented and thought through, it can do a lot of good and redeem the organization from going down. Last but not the least that I will be mentioning is that to communicate other matters that have come to the notice of the auditor, and maybe in form of under provision, over provision, even adjustment to various balances in the general ledger and the like, for the purpose of correction and the like. It's good that we communicate and report, because if we do not report, eventually by the time we submit the final audited accounts, the accountants will find it difficult to integrate the figures into the reality of their bookkeeping, because we've left where they were as at the trial balance given to us, as at the date of the trial balance given to us, to where they ought to be, but the gap must be filled by our reporting. The gap must be filled by our reporting. We just make this video short but powerful so that we can have enough information. GJAMES Associate is the channel. Benga Latin GFCA has been speaking. For those that are just joining us, don't forget to click notification and click all after you subscribe. so that anytime we upload, you will be notified first. And also comment if there are topics in any of our syllables that you will want us to take. Let us know, and you can email us, and like as you can has been provided to us right about now. From GJAMES Associate Channel, we pride ourselves